If the best places are the toughest to reach, the KTM 890 Adventure R is the right machine to take you there. Boasting a new engine with increased capacity and added performance, this is a serious travel-capable off-road motorcycle, ready for extreme escapes off the beaten track. Using its vast race knowledge and experience, KTM delivers a real-world package aimed at the rider who wants to explore the outer limits of every adventure. LED lights are used on the KTM 890 Adventure R as the main headlight and taillight. LED lights offer great illumination and visibility. The design of the headlight mask was inspired by the KTM 450 rally motorcycles, providing improved visibility and reducing the overall volume of the cockpit when attacking off-road terrain. The 6-speed sequential gearbox gets faster shifting thanks to shorter shift lever travel, lighter spring action and quicker quickshifter plus technology, while the teeth on 4th, 5th and 6th gear are glass bead blasted for improved reliability. Quickshifter plus optional on the KTM 890 Adventure R allows for clutchless up and down shifts throughout the rev range. The standard wheels are tubeless with the option of a tire pressure monitoring system. For the most extreme riding, optional KTM Power Parts wheels are available, which are slightly narrower and closer to enduro competition wheels, which allow for the hardest of hardcore riders to fit mousses.